use Excel better? To create improved reports, with the use of Excel dashboards, and enhanced visualization techniques?
Now, in this Excel course, Advanced Charts for Data Visualization and Impressive Reports. This course will provide you with a highly advanced toolkit of knowledge that will enable you to create effective, efficient, and impressive reports. This course will also provide you with the best tricks to create dynamic charts using advanced functions that is going to save you tons of time by showing you how to avoid manual updating every single month. Now, the visualization techniques will introduce you to some unusual methods for handling and creating charts to enhance the readability of your reports and impress your readers. In this course, we will focus on the mechanics, using Excel to construct charts and tables for you to effectively communicate the important message of your reports. We will also focus on design concepts and best practices when you create tables and charts. Please note, this course is not for beginners. It is aimed at Excel intermediate and advanced users. So you should already be comfortable with Excel and handling larger data sets, and be familiar with basic charting options. Learning these new skills and techniques will take your knowledge to the next level. And we will focus on learning new methods and tricks to create charts and reports. Corporate reporting is our primary goal. How to communicate, analyze, check and plan quantitative information. This course is intended for controllers or financial analysts responsible for creating monthly, quarterly or yearly reports. Finance or department managers looking for new effective methods to communicate your message visually. Engineers and project managers wanting to analyze and plan your projects to achieve the desired outcomes. Students planning to work as a business or financial analyst. Students studying engineering or project management, or in any function that will require data visualization. If you are responsible for presenting your data graphically, and you need to do this with Excel, then this course is for you. You will impress your colleagues and your management. You will be the Excel pro in your department. Take up the challenge and take your charting skills to the next level, and start with the Excel Advanced Charts for Data Visualization and Impressive Reports today.